What up, YouTube? It's your boy Aiden from GB Kicks, and I'm back with y'all for another video. We're gonna be doing the icing on these piss yellow Jordan 11s. These are my personal pair, the Winlike 96s, I believe they're called, something like that. I already got them kind of prepped and cleaned up a little bit. I'm just gonna clean the bottoms and then put my sauce on and get them in the icebox. Yeah, here's the icebox setup. Don't mind the mess back there. That's all like prep shit. He has a little doorway here. You put the kicks in there. Got an opening over back there for a fan. I don't know if you probably can't see it. It's a little off to the right. But yeah, we got a little area in there for the fan. They do not sponsor these videos, but just a quick shout out to Rejuvenator. That's our cleaning product that I use. And then Too Much Sauce. I ordered this a couple years ago off Instagram. I'm not sure if they're still going, but yeah, it's got a step-by-step process on what you do. And we're doing the indoor method. Step 1, you just clean the bottom. Step 2, apply the sauce with the brush. Don't drown the shoe in the sauce. Step 3, spread evenly on the yellow area. Step 4, cover with plastic wrap. Step 5 is place shoes 8 to 14 inches away from the light source. For soles, we recommend 8 to 12 hours per session. Midsoles 4 hours per session. So yeah, y'all, I think we're gonna do 3 sessions, 3 8-hour sessions, just to get the full one and see how they're looking after a full 24 hours under the icebox. And right now, that's how they're looking. They're not too bad, honestly, but we'll see how they're looking after 24 hours. I'll get back to y'all after the first 8-hour sessions is done. All right, y'all, we got the sauce on and this Saran wrap on. It's ready to go inside the icebox. Just gotta flick the light on. There we go. We got power, and it just slides in there. Yes, boom. And we'll let it cook up for 8 hours. All right, y'all. This is after the first 8-hour session. You can see they're kind of getting a little clearer in the middle, kind of actually, a lot clearer. And then just for a comparison, we've got the other one here. And yeah, I mean, they're a lot clearer than these ones. These ones are still cooked. But yeah, just a quick comparison shot. Boom. All right, we got them prepped for the second session. We're about to put them in the box. Right under the light. Got the fan blowing on there. Got the light. Close it up, and boom, be back to y'all in another 8 hours. All right, y'all, just want to give y'all a final update. I only ended up doing 2 sessions, 2 8-hour sessions. No, I did 3, but one was off camera. I wanted to show y'all a quick before and after of them. So this is the pair I cleaned. I mean, up here you can't, there's a slight, they got, I mean, compared to these, they look, I don't know, they didn't look like much change except for right in the middle there. They kind of cleared up. So they probably just need some more sessions. Honestly, I might do a couple more off camera, but yeah, that was the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. That was just one more video for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? We pumping them out. We trying to get them out here, man. Next video, we might be restoring some dressers on some shit. We're gonna be trying to flip some furniture type shit. We're gonna see, y'all gonna see, man. But let's end this shit with a quick blinker on them.